So the next step when you install the extension in Chrome is to log into Elmessenger Pro. So you already pinned it like this to your Chrome browser, and then here you can log in with the credentials you got through mail. So here I can see the email I used. It's a demo account. And change the password. I think it's this one. Log in. So here you go. You can see I already used this just to try it out. I already got 150 leads. So that's how powerful this software is. But when you log in for the first time, you will probably have one tag. So these are called tags. You can have in the free version, you have 3 tags, which is enough to start doing outreach a lot, as you can see here, 150 leads. Also, you have global segments. Those are canned responses you can send to people when you make new connections in groups. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use global segments to reach out to people in groups and make new connections.